popcorn machine heats kernels until they burst, creating fresh popcorn quickly for hungry audiences everywhere. Inside the machine, a heating element converts electricity into concentrated heat for efficient popping performance. This heat warms metal surfaces that contact oil and popcorn kernels with remarkable consistency throughout. As temperatures rise, moisture trapped inside each kernel begins expanding rapidly and generating increasing pressure. The tough outer shell keeps pressure building within the kernel steadily until critical limits arrive. Eventually, the internal pressure becomes stronger than the shell structure itself, causing a sudden rupture. The kernel suddenly ruptures, allowing superheated starch to expand dramatically outward into a soft foam. During expansion, the starch cools into the familiar white shape quickly while retaining its texture. Many machines use stirring mechanisms that distribute heat and prevent burning across the cooking chamber. Warm air then carries popped kernels away from intense heating areas, keeping fresh batches moving. The process resembles a tiny pressure vessel opening at precisely timed limits under controlled conditions. Each burst releases steam and transforms dense grains into airy snacks enjoyed in cinemas worldwide. Watching countless kernels pop reveals impressive physics behind an everyday treat that seems wonderfully simple. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.